And just to throw this in, without like going on a 3,000 hour rant, there was this one time in about maybe like 2018, 2019, and I walked outside one morning. It was 6 a.m., maybe 5, and I looked up. This was in North Carolina, by the way, but I looked up and there was like this huge light. Now, I assumed that maybe it was like an angel or something, but it was pretty big though, and it was definitely very close. It was closer than either of the things that I show in those, in the pictures in the beginning or that video. And it was extremely bright. And then I like tried to get my mom to come outside, but of course she wouldn't. And it's like now looking back on that, it makes me think about how not everybody's gonna see the light because not everybody wants to.